In this video, we are going to see how to set up a cookie with PHP. Download this text file in the description. First, to set up a cookie with PHP, you need to install PHP. This is a very important thing. You need to install PHP first. It's not installed by default in Ubuntu. You have to install it with this command. Wait, I already copied, right? Paste with the password. Hmm. We'll wait until this installs. You can skip the video. I think already installed. Now copy the second command in this text file. I really don't know what this means. If you want to know about more about this command, go to this link in the Stack Overflow. I found this link. I found this command in this link. If you don't run this command, it won't work. For me, it didn't work. Maybe I don't know what will happen to you, but you have to do this command. Copy it. Enter. I already added it. That's why it's showing for me like this. What is next? We need to restart the Apache server. Enter. Yep. Now what next? Now we need to create a PHP file. Close this terminal. Go to files, other locations, computer, where www html. Now here leave those. Just I have image here. If you don't have image, I'll show you how to copy the image. Go to where you have. Go to the folder where you have image. Right click. Go to open terminal. Type sudo and the name of the wait. First you have to type cp to copy and name of the image you want to copy. I want to copy this image 5 image 5 dot jpg is the location of the file where you want to copy. I want to copy this folder slash var slash www slash html. It, I think correct. It enter the password. We'll check if that worked or not. As you can see that image has been copied. Now I don't want this. I already have an image. Now right click on it. We'll create a PHP file. We will create a PHP file. Click on terminal. Type this command sudo gedit a.php. Enter the password. Copy this code format. Paste it. Change this to image name which you have copied. Uh, Now I will say about something about cookies. The set cookie method is used to set a cookie, and this is a first argument is called a name of the cookie. This is the value of the cookie. This is the time, how much it lasts in that website. This is it's in seconds, 3,600 seconds. It's in the last argument is a place where a cookie will be there. Slash means it's in the same directory. Now this is the first cookie. This is the second cookie. Click on this. No, this is the cookie name. This is the cookie value. This is the time. The same thing. Enough. We'll save this. I think saved. We'll click close it and open Wireshark at the same time with sudo. Enter. You opened it. Open Firefox, clear everything, whatever you have in cache. This is very important. Hmm, come on. There. Now we'll type this engine localhost slash a dot php. Now before entering enter, go to this Wireshark, click on start capture, go to the website and click enter. Enter the password you made for basic authentication. We can see the image has been loaded. Now we'll see if the cookie has been set. Yeah, this is a cookie editor extension I installed from Firefox. You can see the engineer cookie with the value with the name same as what we saw there, and this is a nickname, the name of the cookie. This is the work is the value of the cookie. If you want to install this, I will give the this cookie editor link in this text file already added here. You can install from here. Now we'll stop this capturing. Click on this red icon, type http enter. Wait a minute now. Don't click on the first one. Click on the second. You will get two, I think, two get request from HTTP. First one is when you click on that, you will get unauthorized something. Second one is where you get the cookie. Click on this follow TCP stream. You can see that set cookie is what we set a cookie. Hmm. The cookie has been set now. Take this screenshot and take this screenshot also, not this one. Okay. Take this screenshot also. What else we need extra? The cookie has been set, that's all. We have to show this screenshot, what we call. We have to show this thing to the server, like take the screenshot of this by highlighting this. This contains one third of the marks. That's all. That's all for this video.